This is a portable keyboard from Pluggable, and this is a big mechanical keyboard from Das Keyboard. Now I have both of these keyboards and they are purposely driven for me. I love this one because it's so compact. It feels really good to type on. When I'm traveling, it folds up and it's a nice strong chassis. It has micro USB charging and it can be connected via micro USB cable. It does come with this case right here that props up as a tablet stand, but look at this. You can open this up, put your keyboard right in here, and this is a trifold, boom, like that, and now you're on the go portable. This one over here, this one is a keyboard for the home, or if you want to really backpack this big keyboard, it's up to you. But what this is a mechanical keyboard with clicky MX blue keys. This is a keycap. I took out the keycap so you can see what the keys look like. Very deep, solid throw, and this one is not wireless at all. In fact, it's USB and only USB. You gotta plug it in, and that's how you connect it. So USB, never have to worry about a charge. I forgot to mention that the pluggable one is actually battery powered too, and the way you charge this thing is by the micro USB port right there. So that USB port can be connected to your computer, or you can use this as a Bluetooth keyboard. I love these keyboards because they are very versatile in what they do. This one for portability, this is the pluggable full-size portable Bluetooth keyboard right here, and this is the full-size Das mechanical keyboard, MX blue keys right there. So these are awesome keyboards right there.